Today, FCT has its own head of service, and who, of course, is a woman, and from FCT. All these are things that people should thank Mr. President. Before now, it would be difficult for FCT to access funds. Mr. President, his wisdom believe that we should pull out from the single. Ask us question. We are the politicians. You have to be careful of what they tell you. And if that thing had happened, some of us wouldn't have been here today. So if you want us to educate you, call us. You have people like Senator Mao Habwa in this church. I hear Senator Magnus Habe is a member of this church. Call them. What is going on? What is going on? They'll be able to educate you. Don't allow people with propaganda, blackmail. They're at it again. Now, see what happened. The Bola Ahmed International Conference Center. You know, there are people who are running it. They were paying to government 50 million naira every year. These are people who want to rescue Nigeria. When we went there, the president said, look, this is an eyesore. That this is not the quality, this is not the Nigeria we should present. And we shut the place down. And within 6-7 months, we have rehabilitated the International Conference Center. But you know the shocking thing? The man who was running it from Adamawa was paying to government 50 million naira a year. But in 3 weeks that we just renovated it, we have made over 700 million. This is paying to the coffers of government 50 million a year. But in 3 weeks, we have made over 700 million. The same people who will come and tell you they will rescue Nigeria. 700 million in 3 weeks. And that is the kind of thing they want. When you say no, you will not allow that. They paint you all kind of pictures and tell you stories. People had opportunity to be in government for several years, 8 years, 20 years. People had opportunity to bring facilities and infrastructures to their states. They didn't do it. That time, Nigerians were not angry. It's only now that they are not in office that Nigerians are angry. If I say that, look, we want to rescue Nigeria, what you should ask me, when you had the opportunity, what happened? If you ask me today, when I was governor of River State, what happened? I'll be able to say, yes, I did this, I did this, I did this. And today in FCT, I'm doing this, I did this, I will continue to do this. We were here. People were bombing trains going to Kaduna. Was it under the administration of Bola Tinubu that the trains were bombed? That time they didn't rescue Nigeria. We are here. This scam of oil subsidy was President Tinubu, the president of Nigeria then. And somebody has come to say, no, this scamming enough is enough. We can't continue. Few people making money out of Nigeria. Today, look at the allocation, the funding that's going to states. I was a governor. I never had more than 14 billion naira a month. But today, some states are getting over 50 billion every month. The country was dead. It will take challenges, it will take hard decisions to be made. We are aware that we have challenges. 2 years of a country that was run down. And we expect miracle worker. It's not prayer where you say somebody is sick, in the name of God, I heal you. No, it doesn't work that way. So many things will have to be put right before you begin to see the positive results. Okay, judge from FCT, like you are saying, what happened in the last 8 years or then that nothing was moving on in FCT? You are now confessing the changes because you have a government that is determined to make changes. If the Tinubu government is not interested, it will be the same thing. But because it's interested to say, this is not the kind of capital we should have. This is not the kind of city Nigeria should be boasting of. We have to be like other cities in the world. Therefore, give his ministers a marching order, see that things are working. Yes, we've not finished, we cannot say we have completely changed Abuja, but you can see that the processes, the steps being taken to put Abuja where it's supposed to be. Like you said before, all these areas, the roads, AYA, you hardly. But today is a different thing. And I can assure you in the next 1 year, you will see what will happen as far as Abuja is concerned. All this is because the president is committed. If he's not committed, I won't get the money. If he's not committed, we'll still be talking about single treasury account. It will be difficult, very difficult. All I appeal to the church, just be patient and continue to pray for Mr. President, for the administration. Forget about people who have lost their chances to put Nigeria right. They won't have the chance again. Look, ask yourself a question. Just ask yourself. I was a Senate president for 8 years, for example. And I cannot provide road to my local government or to work. And I will fly a helicopter to go to Otubo. 8 years. Now, they say you want to rescue Nigeria. Which Nigeria are you rescuing? Rescuing that you were 8 years as Senate president? Somebody was speaker for 8 years. Governor, 8 years. Minister, 8 years. He didn't know Nigerians were angry. It's just these 2 years he left office. They are telling Nigerians that Nigerians are angry. Why wouldn't they be angry? When in 8 years as Minister of Transportation, you borrow so much money from China, making us to be highly indebted. You have borrowed the future of Nigerians. You say Nigerians are angry. They're angry with you. They're angry with you. Here, you are Attorney General of the Federation for 8 years. Every time we are paying for judgment debt. How many times Nigeria, every time on the news about corruption, 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 corruption. 8 years. What happened? These are the same people that want to rescue Nigerians. You are Minister for Interior here. To go and get international passport, you will spend weeks and months and years before you get international passport. But look at a young boy. Look at a young boy. See what he has done. Within hours, you've got your international passport. And yet, you come and tell us Nigerians are angry. Nigerians are angry with you for not making it possible for us to have an international airport international passport as quickly as possible. Nigerians are angry with you. Nigerians are what? Angry with you. How can Nigerians not be angry with you? Today, in 1999, you are in this party. In 2006, you are another party. In 2014, you moved to another party. In 2019, you came back to another party. That 2025, you are moving to another party. To rescue who? You want to rescue your stomach. It's not Nigeria you want to rescue. So let us tell ourselves the simple truth. Some of you, you have sympathy for somebody you don't know. I'll say it. And that's where he nearly made us to make a mistake. He said P2B will be president. President where? Some of you don't know somebody just out of emotion.